Today we're making a comforting and flavorful Portuguese codfish recipe that's perfect for any family dinner. Simple ingredients, rich flavors, and true Portuguese comfort food. Let's get started. With onion and red pepper sauce. 2 soaked salted cod fillets, 6 large potatoes sliced into rounds, 2 large onions sliced into half moons, 4 garlic cloves chopped, half a red pepper sliced into strips, olive oil as needed, salt and pepper to taste, chopped parsley, oil for frying the potatoes, milk for cooking the cod, black olives for garnish. Place the cod in a saucepan, cover with milk, and cook for 8 minutes over medium heat. Dry the cod and fry in olive oil. Fry the potato slices in hot oil until golden. Drain on paper towel. In a large sauté pan, add olive oil and chopped garlic. Cook for a few seconds until fragrant. Add the onion and cook over medium heat until soft and lightly golden. Add the red pepper strips and cook until everything is soft and well combined. Season with salt and pepper and cook for another 5 minutes. In an oven-safe baking dish, place the cod first, then layer the fried potatoes on top. Cover everything with the onion and pepper sauce. Bake until bubbling and lightly golden on top. Garnish with parsley and black olives before serving. And there you have it, a beautiful Portuguese codfish dish full of comforting flavors. Crispy potatoes, sweet onion sauce, and tender cod make this recipe unforgettable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Faça e coma! Cooking the cod in milk keeps it tender and gives it a richer flavor. Do not overcrowd the pan so the potatoes stay crispy. Slow cooking the onions gives the sauce a naturally sweet flavor. Drizzle a little extra olive oil on top before baking for extra flavor.